and then a week wearing it, they all nasty, sweat filled. It's all pretty now, doesn't it?
From the state of Iowa. This is day 0. We are not riding today. We're going to go to the expo.
I never quite know how to put this on. See? I don't want to be too loose, but I don't want to be too tight.
Well, we are on our way to the expo. We got our driver and our passenger with us. It's supposed to be hot this week, very slight chance of rain, so we're on our way. Tomorrow the adventure begins. Day 1 of our official ride. Of course, we're starting off at a parking lot. We are not sure which way to go. So we're getting a little bit of a late start this morning, having coffee. Hey, we're going to be on our YouTube channel, man. A cup of coffee and an apple fritter.
I hope we're not last.
We're in Sioux City. It took us a while to get all our stuff put away, but we're on Ragbrai.
Day 1.
Day 1. See what it'll bring. Train came through, so we're walking our bikes right now, all these people. Not something you see every day. We're more than halfway up today's ride. It is getting warm. We stopped in the shade here and had us a drink and snack. We're ready to go. Our next town is 5 miles away. Okay. We both had a nice cold beer and it just hit the spot. We've got how many miles? 18 probably. We're not sure. We've sat here probably 20 minutes or so and the bikes keep going by. At the end of day 1, Kathy rode strong. I did not. I hit the wall about 15 miles away. I didn't eat enough today, so tomorrow we're going to concentrate on eating. These are our neighbors out here. And you can see Ragbrai semi trucks back there. That's the one that brings all the luggage to the field here. Kathy rode strong today, didn't you, hon?
Yeah, I had a good day. Really good day. No problem.